Good morning. I am here at Thorpe Park on a actually very quiet Wednesday, and I'm here to check out how busy it will be today because as you know, it is the dreaded school trip season, and if you don't know what that is, it is basically the time of year where all the schools are coming here for their trips. So this week I've been checking the queues and it's been quite busy, so I'm very nervous as to what the queues will be like today. So let's go in and let's check out the queues. We're in the queue lines to get in, and all the buses are turning up. I've only seen about 2 so far, so hopefully there's only a couple and not too many school trips. There is a school over there and they are already screaming. Like, shush, no one wants to hear your screaming. It is currently 9:18 and it is not that busy yet. Like, this is looking, oh, there's a school trip. How lovely. Anyway, it's not looking that busy, so like, so hopefully it doesn't get that bad. We just got into the dome and it's decent. This is looking like a Sunday, like the amount of people that will be here on a Sunday. It's gonna get busier, but for now, it's average. We're down by the vortex entrance of the park and we're gonna head, I'm gonna head straight to Hyperia in the single rider queue. So hopefully I can get a good couple rides on it. Just been let in, and let's just say it's not gonna be a quiet day. It is not. This is my first time going to a park in school trip season, and I can tell it's gonna be interesting. I'm in single rider queue, and yeah, it's busy. Yeah. I'm in the single rider queue, and I'm basically in the station, as you can see, and here's Charlie. Just got off Hyperia and I had a row 6 ride. It was good, but I had the Rassilly train and I felt it slightly, but it's still number 1. Yeah, it was good. And single rider queue was dead, but it's still really, really quiet. So I'm gonna wait for my friend, then head back on. Now in the queue, fast track queue for Hyperia, and this is my second ride of the day. So I'm not doing too bad for a school trip season day. So we've got back row. We've just done a back row ride on Hyperia, and it was Archie's first time. So what did you think?
In absolute insanity. I mean, I can't believe the first stop's one of the best elements, if not the best element I've ever ridden. I mean, I'm just still in awe. I'm actually finally rode it after all this time.
I know. You gonna do it again later?
100% yes.
We're now in the Nemesis Inferno queue, and we're here. Like, the queue, it's only 20 minutes.
Not looking too bad.
Yeah, 20 minutes on a school trip season day is not bad at all. The only really busy ride here right now is Thorpe, which is expected because it's Thorpe.
Why would people want to go on that? It's beyond me. That's up to opinion.
Just got off Inferno. It was a 20-minute queue, which was great for a school trip day, and we're currently undercover because it is really rainy. I just did Hyperia in a 70-minute queue and I got front row for my first time, and it was insane. It's the best row. Like, you get really good airtime on that. You do back row as well, but I don't know, I just prefer it. So now we're in the queue for Walking Dead, and it is advertised on the app it's 50 minutes, but I do not believe that. This queue moves so fast, it will probably be about 25. We've done Walking Dead, that was about half an hour, and there was no axes on it when they said that there was, so. And what else did we do? We did Flying Fish, which was like 10 minutes, and there was some queue jumpers, so we had to report them. Just got off Vortex and it was average, and the queue was 20 minutes like it advertised, so not bad for school trip season. Just done Hyperia again on row 3, and the queue time is 60 minutes and we waited about 50, which wasn't too bad. I have just walked onto both Saw and Colossus. All the school trips have gone now because it's like 5:20, so I'm making the most of it and trying to get in as many rides as I can. I've now done Rush and Ghost Train and it was great. What can I say? Today I've done a total of 14 rides and they were really good. but I don't recommend coming on a school trip day. Start of the day was really busy, but when it got to like 4 o'clock, it died down by a lot. So if you want to come, go in the afternoon. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I'll see you in another video.